Surrey Nabeeks. Been a while, fam. A while. And it's been all right, you know. Good morning, Isabel. Ripierno. We hit that daily 50, fam. What's up, Awake? Daily 50 MA right there, fam. Look what happened last time we hit the daily 50. One all the way back down. As soon as we hit it, closed over it a little bit, then we all the way back down. The last time we kind of tested it up here, that 22K area, 23K. Look at this. We went about, I don't know, 5% up and then 15% down. Look at that move. You know, if we expect something like this to happen again, which could happen, certainly could happen. The 50 MA on the daily is kind of significant, right? So let's say we kind of wick up here, 18.6, 18.7. That would make sense, right? That would make a lot of sense at 18.7. Wick up to there, and then we just come right back down to 15.8, 16K, you know? Yo, what's up, Dutch? I should have just stayed long. Frustrating. I overtraded it. Overtraded this a little bit. Frustrating. This looks really distribution-ish. In fact, look at this. Look at this. The total. Look what happened to the total. The total's at the fucking high, dude. Like the price is literally at the high of the billion. So although Bitcoin went up, something's suffering here. Alts are suffering. Nice, Surrey. Nice, Surrey. I hope you made some money. Yeah, it's gonna come back down. This looks, I mean, this is great. Like, we've passed the meme line, but I hate to say it, like, this isn't that strong. This candle is not that strong. Look at this. Bearish divergence. I mean, fam, it's distribution. This is a distribution type range on the S&P. Look at that. Look at the RSI. Distribution. Like I said, we're making a higher high right here, but it's bearish. It's bearish divergence here. It's weak, right? You can just see on the RSI alone. You don't need some fancy indicators. Just use the RSI alone. You can see it's weak. And then if you double down with the volatility's got big move coming. Is this big move going to be up or down? You see how the single moving average right here goes low, and then the move comes. You see this goes low, right? Low, low, low. You see this low volatility. Then the big move came. Came down on the volatility. Came down. Volatility got hot. Bulls came in. Now bulls are dying again, just like over here. Bulls died over here. Bulls are dying again. So we'll get something like, you know, a little bit more distribution-y. You know, whatever, sideways here. I mean, maybe we could go a little higher, and then we come back down. And then what's going to happen is volatility will pick up towards the downside. Bulls will come in again, make a new low, and then we pump again. And then this is it just tends to repeat, fam. It really does. The volatility kind of cycles tend to repeat, and you can see, like I said, where we reset. Look right here, right? Boom, right at the top, right here, we reset. Volatility came in, pushed this down, got really, really hot. Bulls came in. It's resetting again, right? Reset again. Boom, right here. Top, right? Around here, I don't know for sure, right? We're gonna top. Volatility will come in, bulls will come in, and it's continuation. I don't think the bottom is in on S&P. I think there's a chance the bottom could be on Bitcoin, but you know, fam, things just aren't looking great for crypto. And I'm not trying to be like a mega bear in any way or aspect, but things are not looking great in crypto. And I have a lot of friends, including Q, who's going to join us here in a second, that are really suffering. You know, we do this day to day, and we make money. And man, this market, the liquidity in this market is really, really bad right now. I've never seen it this bad. At least if I have seen it this bad, I don't remember it being this bad. I mean, if you can imagine, this is not a fun thing to trade for anybody. Even for a person that knows what they're doing, this is not a fun thing to trade for anybody. You could see how people got FOMO'd into this engulfing daily here, just to only retrace, you know, and then we pump on some decent CPI data. And I say decent, fam, if you realize the average CPI inflation data is like 2 to 3% year over year. We just saw 7%, fam. That's twice as much year over year. That's like 2 years of inflation packed in this CPI data. People, fam, that's not bullish. Not bullish at all. The volatility is low here, fam. Don't like that at all. We could just see that, like, the 4 hour kind of exploded up here, right? So hot right there on the 4 hour. But mostly what we just passed here was that 4 hour 200, which was at 200 EMA, which was acting as a resistance. You can see we kind of pressed over it, and now we flipped this. All right, so that was kind of the 4 hour. I was looking for that to flip. Flipped overnight, of course, and then now we're above it. Again, we're at that daily daily 50, fam. It's going to be really important that you do not FOMO long here. You're going to want to FOMO long, and don't FOMO long here. Last time we retested the daily 50 after a drop. Again, we went a little bit higher than the daily 50. We got over it, but you can just see how it slants down. Even if, let's say, even if we happen to close over this daily 50 today, you see this? Okay, you see how the 50 right here is like slanted down? We'll just get rid of the price action here, okay? See how the 50 slanted down? It was a slide. So even though the candles, I'll bring the candles back up, closed over it, we just slid right back down, fam, because it hadn't stabilized. It hadn't become flat. Same thing's happening here, fam. Same thing's happening here, right? It's going to slide down. Maybe we go down here. Maybe we go down to 16.5 area. I was looking to long, never got it. Couple areas of convergence that we've talked about. Convergence of price, points of control, right? We got boom. Really, now we've made some serious support resistance right here over this right here, this block. So regardless, 15% usually. Last time we retested, look look at this 50, fam. We go over here, held it a little bit, and then go right back down. Okay, so even maybe this happens. Maybe we get some type distribution type structure right here. So let's say, damn. Let's just say that we'll just use this fractal right here. It's okay. We'll just use some fractal as a shit. Close over it, and then we go back down. And fam, if this is a bottom, we're going to spend time here accumulating. You know what I'm saying? Something like that, right? Make a lot of sense. Make a lot of sense. So just be careful. I wouldn't FOMO in right now. I definitely wouldn't FOMO in. Even if we close a daily over this, I'm going to be looking for shorts up here. It was a nice move up, but it was weak. Again, on S&P, weak, bearish divergence. Yeah, this is kind of the plan. Don't rush the trades, yeah. Hey, Silkus. Good morning. All right, hold on. Let me just. I gotta check my Discord. Make sure. Oh, here he is. Yo, Q. Hey, sorry, I was just running my mouth. Called though, right? 5 minutes ago. See these? Yeah, you see S&P is like technically. I mean, like obviously it's not confirmed, but it's bearish divergent. The daily print right now, like the daily's printing higher. It's passing the meme line, but looks weak as fuck, dude. I'm pretty sure come down as quickly as it went up. All right, so fam, yeah, but we kind of thought that might happen, right? Pass the mean line, maybe make a double top at like 4,300 or something, and then go back down, kind of bull trap. Like we either wanted it to like drop before that meme line or fake out above, I guess. Go on Ethereum. Oh, I see that. Um, Yeah, I was just talking about that, like how bad the space is for traders, and we're sitting out here like trying to grind this shit. And I mean, the PA in the last 2 weeks says enough. I mean, Fuck the PA in the last 2 weeks says enough. Sitting there between that 2% range, whatever, 2-3%. That looks really healthy, huh? That won't come back down. Um, Crypto Otis, Salokin, how are you, my man? How are you? How are you? How are you? Cam, also to note, we hit that weekly 10 MA. That's kind of important, right? We talked about the Bollinger Bands, how important that was, like with resetting time. DXY? Oh yeah, shit. Oh shit. But it's almost to the bottom of the weekly Bollinger Bands, bro. That's got to give a bounce, right? Like the basic bitch bands, bro. Kind of crazy. Yes, sir. Exactly. And then if you like, the person that taught me that volatility indicator, like my mentor, um, old school PA guy, dude. This guy was like fucking charting before there was computers. Like this guy's like 60 years old, like probably using graph paper in the 80s. But anyways, the guy that taught me this, he's very like basic PA trader, and he'll use RSI over the volatility, and you can just look at the RSI alone, how we didn't even tick up over the previous strength right there of the last week, and you look at the sideways RSI right there, that's distribution, dude. We're just walking the RSI sideways on S&P. Like it's I even have the line. I have a line that says distribution bearish divergence right now on my fucking daily S&P. But yeah, it's distribution. I mean, yeah, we could hang out up here for a while though. You know, that's the thing. I don't think people realize we can like sit out up here like 17, high 17, mid 18K for a while, really fake some people out, and then go back down. Could have a bear market rally, but fuck, dude, the liquidity's so bad. It's hard to believe that will come. I just like I can't stop. Is it like the normal buys, like the guy that you see like does 10K buys over and over, or is it like something like aping? Okay. We're at the daily 50, weekly 10. Bro, me and my family fucking long 16K. Like, we fucking closed and closed. We long closed. And I like literally I over traded the last probably like week and a half. Didn't need to. Could have stayed long and patient. Like look at the 10-day, dude. Look at the fucking pinned tweet I have on my Twitter, and then look at the 10-day tether dominance, bro. Fucking top, bro. On tether. Might just have to ape long here, huh? 10. Probably gonna FOMO long here like an idiot. I want to backfill though so bad. Uh huh. Hear it. Let's hear it. We're pulling up Ethereum. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up your stream too. I wanna watch. Oh, look at that GP tat, bro. Damn. You know what really? So I wanted to tap down to 16.5, which was the golden pocket retest of Bitcoin, right? But if you looked at total, the entire market, that entire time while Bitcoin was holding that range of fucking 16.8 to 17.2, total went down and hit the golden pocket. And I saw that. I was like, dude, we're not going to fucking hit the golden pocket Bitcoin because total hit the golden pocket. So all the alts did and Bitcoin didn't. And now you see Bitcoin dominance kind of like increasing. See, fam, people, you got to use the fibs. Q's using the fibs over here. Ain't no bullshit. Nachos, baby. I'd scream. There we go. Theater modes. That. So typically, when we retest the daily 50 MA after a dump on Bitcoin, typically we retrace somewhere between 10 and 15%. So we'll tap it or close above it, and it'll kind of fake out. It takes time to reset, you know, and then we'll dump about 10, 15%. So I think there's going to be a short opportunity. I just don't know if I want to jump into it yet. Although we did hit the double top. Like if you go all the way back to the FTX dump on November 10th, see that double top on Bitcoin? Like we basically are there. We're at resistance again. I feel like the trade's short, dude. I can't FOMO longer than this shit. I feel like you got to short it. here, right? Like, yo, Ninja, I'll check that out. Hold on. Oh, I'm not going to be doing 2A very long. I mean, no, I mean, no, I'm like not even joking. I just I'm really jaded. It's really tough for me right now. I've been trying to like be as positive as possible and there for everybody, and it's just been I mean mentally it's tough for me. I mean, I got my wife on my ass right now, fam. Like you guys don't even realize it when you have your wife on your ass about making money and bringing in money, and you're like sitting there and you're like not bringing in as much money as you used to. It complicates life, fam. Like it complicates life. Like trust me. I have kids. I have kids. I have a mortgage. Like I got debt. Like fucking dude, it's just been a struggle, and I think the most fun I've had lately was been playing Call of Duty. It sounds fucking lame, but yeah, I bet those ain't cheap, bro. Fucking student loans for your wife, bro. Engineer. Oh man. It's paid for. It's paid. It's gone. Yeah, it's gone. It's spoken for. Yeah. Yep. Life's too short, bro. Life's too short. I just like I told you this the other day. Like, fucking, I lost my father-in-law. Perfectly healthy individual. Ran marathons. 70 years old. Like, this guy was like literally the health one, like top 1% of 70-year-olds. Literally fell off his bike, head head um head trauma. That was it. And I'll tell you what, dude. When that shit happens to you, it was my first time ever happened in my life, and I know you lost your mom at a very young age, which I can't even imagine how that was. But for me, it was the first time something sudden quickly happened, and it made you realize like life's fucking short. Like, do I want to sit here and stare at like no liquidity PA of cryptocurrency and wait for the next bull market for 3 years? Like, I have these are questions I ask myself. Like, um, there's a lot of things. I have I think we're both smart individuals. We have a very wide background. I think really do anything, and dev developers. Oh, Dead Space. Yes, Dead Space. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. This is good. Yeah, look at BNB. This is good for volatility, fam. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It may never be the same, right? Like it may never be the same. That's like people don't realize that like with Binance in full control, and they were already in full control, but like now they're like it's just a very tiered market, you know. It's like saying like if it, I don't think people realize like if like TD Ameritrade, right? TD Ameritrade is like my broker. If everyone, if all the volume was on just TD Ameritrade, like there wasn't a Chicago exchange, there wasn't a New York exchange, there wasn't like all these other entities pulling weight, you know, like that's essentially what we're talking about with Binance. Organization, management. Bam, you hear that? Not everybody is perfect. Like Q knows what he's doing. He's been trading Ethereum for years and having a really hard time in these markets. And I think it's good to hear it from somebody who's been successful for as long as he has. And I think it's good to understand that everyone has their moments of down. And, you know, although I was short last night, I've been playing it very tight. I'm not upset that I stopped out. I'm more upset that I didn't flip long this morning when before the data because there was that breakout. It was kind of confirmed breakout. But I wasn't confirmed that we were going to go up, right? And it's risky, right? You take a breakout trade like that, and it's risky taking that. But whatever, you can always wait for the next trade. I'm still out here trading. I'm still out here making trades. Luckily, I'm doing okay. My scalp account is doing really well. My main account's kind of flat, so I'll pull up my scalp account right now. Here's my scalp account. I've doubled it basically since bottoming here, which I'm not too unhappy about. So that's cool. But I'm not in a trade right now. I'm kind of trying to figure things out after the move. And bam, I will say this. Bitcoin dominance is moving. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin dominance real quick. Bitcoin dominance is moving, and now that we have Bitcoin dominance really moving, fam, like it was moving before this rising wedge, and then we had this was 21K, fam. Okay, we had this rising wedge. I talked about this when it happened. We had this rising wedge, and what happened was And what happened was we broke down with the FTX thing, and now we're making a rise on Bitcoin, and we want to see this reset. So what we've been seeing is this grind for Bitcoin. Seeing this grind sideways, and this killed alts. This wasn't very good for alts. It was a really tight range. Was not good for alts. And here we go, testing the daily 50. I showed the weekly 10 MA. We're there. I'm not gonna FOMO into longs here, even though I really want to. But that's kind of a stupid move. I would say that the 50, I will just wait for a shorting opportunity when I see weakness. It does look weak. It does look like we're probably gonna go back down. I understand that everyone thinks we're gonna get 50 BPs. We could get a half. We could get 3/4. I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. It doesn't look that great right now on the daily. I'm telling you right now, like I would short this 90% of the time. But like I said, I'm gonna be patient and wait. I did miss the move up on the long. Alts, here we are, 17.9. Last time we were at 17.9, BNB was like 350. Well, here it is. Here's BNB. Holding that mid-range. Okay. I really expect us to go down and hit that 211, but it's holding this mid-range. I think there's a lot of manipulation going on with BNB right now. CZ's holding up the price. They are fearing a run on the banks. They have liquidity issues over at Binance. I'm not saying that they're like FTX. I'm not saying that at all. But I guarantee you they are trying to fix the books over there if they had problems with the books. Sell the news. Shaka. I like that. Sell the news. But I guarantee you, fam. Guarantee you. Okay, now it's time to pull up some more EMAs in it. Oh. Music time, fam. Y'all see the fallen wedge? Not gonna lie, this fallen wedge looks really good. Jeff KM, holla. Gunther, morning, how are you? Man, this bearish cross on the weekly has never happened in Bitcoin life. They will retest this. Another reason why I was looking to buy a spot down here and move up. We got volatility in the weekly. Really good. Close to breaking out of this trend line. We have not broken this trend line, fam. Have not broken that on RSI. You guys all see that SBF was arrested right before the hearing that was supposed to go down. Pretty insane. I mean, it just shows you that they didn't give a fuck what he had to say. The liquidator's gonna come in. That's the only person that needs to talk. They think he's completely a pathological liar. He's a the Senate, they literally think the judicial hearing, like they all think he's a pathological liar. That's why they arrested him. They already knew what he was gonna say. There's an article out. It's somewhere, fam. Here we go, fam. You all ready? Teal Street, baby. Let's do it. I'm doing it, fam. Doing it. I'm doing it. Just a little scalpy scalp. Just a little scalpy scalp, baby. Just a little scalpy scalp. See how that goes for me. All right, fam. Dude, he's a sociopath, family. He's a sociopath. I gotta find this article. We're gonna read it together, fam. Yo, I was gonna say you had to take a bubble bath, bro. Don't lie to me. You ain't getting that one by me, bro. Hold, yes, I do. I want to find this article real quick. Hold on. Dude, there's a leaked copy of his Senate, what he was going to say at the Senate, and I want to read it. It's like really good. Yeah, I'm gonna put this link in chat, fam. Y'all check it out. I'm pretty sure it's televised at Wooks. I'm pretty sure it's televised. Like they're gonna televise the liquidator for SBF at the Senate, right? Isn't it gonna be televised today at like 10 a.m.? Pretty sure. I just shorted, by the way. I just did a little. It's just a little scalper on the 5-minute. I mean, I know you're not. You should just. I wouldn't trade if I were you. I've been in your rut, bro. You ask anybody in my chat. They saw me. I was in the worst rut fucking last April because that 40K bear flag just wouldn't break down, and I was like, I was just over trading 40K. So stupid. I was so bearish too up there. I was so bearish. Oh, whoops, yeah. Kind of wish I caught the scam wick higher, but oh well. Dude. Team. Yeah. Okay, so look. I know. Hard rally? Yeah. Yeah, and they like to follow. I'll be right back. I gotta go get some more water. Y'all, fam, I'm gonna be back later tonight. I'm actually gonna be doing a teaching stream tonight at the close. So yeah, fam. I'll be back later tonight. We'll do a quick review like we talked about this morning. I would just be patient. Tomorrow's gonna be the move. Tomorrow will be the move, fam. I'm telling you, tomorrow's gonna be the move. It's probably gonna it's probably gonna go back down, but we will see. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get a chat up. Be safe. Do not long here. I'm only in a short scalp. It's not really a call. I wouldn't play it as a call because I'm watching it. Could be out of it in the next 15-30 minutes. But personally, and look, we're pumping back up. But personally, just play safe. And I will see you later tonight, fam. It's just see what happens here. We're at resistance, fam. Just gonna stay in the short scalp. Yeah, well, later tonight, like I said, I'll be back with a time stream. We're gonna be teaching a little bit of time frames, weekly, daily, weather important, blah 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 blah, all that good stuff. It's gonna be cool. All right, a little more PowerPoint. Mad love. By the way, we're gonna go raid our boy Kwongo. We're gonna go raid him, and I'm gonna probably just stick around and watch my scalp and play Call of Duty with Kwongo. Yep, that's what I want to do. I feel like doing today. By the way, tomorrow's my birthday. Tomorrow's my birthday, fam. We're gonna have a great stream tomorrow too. Kicking it all day. Where? Around where? You're damn right, bro. I am. And I just raided you because I'm going off. I'm gonna support you. 19 viewers are ready to raid. 21. Come on, fam. Everybody, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Kwongo, dude, he's the Ethereum version of me, fam. He's the Ethereum version of me. I mean, we're like literally twins. One's Ether, one's Bitcoin. How can we not fucking win on that shit, dude? I'm his Bitcoin to he's my Ether. Everyone always wants to know what Ether's doing.